Dr. Kwai, President Spanyor Francinda. I want to remind you,
Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. If you're new here, please do hit the thumbs up button and I hope you will stay. Yeah. Siphe Sihle's homecoming with Batsadi Bomkosi. That is all I am going to say. It was, of course, hosted by his father, Ubafana Sindani. Yebo, I am now lowering my voice because Aisham, I do not want to find myself in the middle of things that I cannot even defend myself from. I am broken, poor. Yeah. So you all remember Ubafana Sindani, right? He appeared at the Madlanga Commission, but his name appeared at the Madlanga Commission. He was later on arrested allegedly, and then he was later on released based on the findings that there was nothing against him. It is alleged that Ubafana Sindane, since he's from Kwaga, he runs, or rather, he rules the taxi mafia, allegedly. He is facing charges, allegedly, of extortion and money laundering. And his son recently went to the initiation and he organized this homecoming. I am telling you, best South African artists were invited, Batsari Bomkosi, Java, and many more. Influencers were there as well. Luna, even the podcaster that most people love, Uskim, was also invited. He was there with Batsari Bomkosi, which people were left shocked. Ugutaibo, how is this guy attending such an event? Others are saying, Hashem, Ubafana Sindane is very brave. He was just arrested recently for issues involving money and some corruption of Batsari, and he was released and he is throwing such a lavish home welcoming, gifting his son a BMW. Yeah. Aisham, I am out of words. So, Batsari, I do not want to say much. I do not want to be implicated in things, but this is what it is. I am telling you, Maga 2026 showed us all flames. Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.